practical work area. A phase dedicated to hands-on training where trainees acquire skills and knowledge. So of course, we have here this area na makapag-conduct tayo ng demonstration and training. And for the Learning Resource Center, it's an area with modules and multimedia materials to support learning and knowledge acquisition. So we have here also the learning materials here, resources, this area na yan. And for the institutional assessment area, space where learners conduct assessment where recognize prior to learning and certified competence. So this institution. So of course, role of the trainer is the trainer serves as facilitator of learning in competency-based training environment. So of course, ang role ko dito is mag-facilitate sa inyo, magbigay ng guide, magbigay ng support, and for the role of you as a trainer, the trainer is an active participant in the learning process and responsible for achieving the required competency. So, of course, kayo, kailangan nyo ma-achieve yung nasa unit of competency natin lahat. And for the basic competencies, with workplace communication, with small teams, develop and practice negotiation skills, solve problems related to work activities, use mathematical concepts and techniques, use relevant technologies, and with the code. And for the common competencies, is control and order staff, user staff, lead small groups, establish and conduct resource relationships. And for the core competencies of this event management is plan and develop event proposal with, develop an event concept. Of course, meron kayong na-develop na, di ba? And develop event program, select event venue and site, develop and update event industry knowledge, provide on-site event management services, manage contractors for indoor event, develop and update knowledge and protocol. So that's it. Before tayo mag-start, magpapasign lang ako ng attendance natin for today. Ms. Orza, pasay. Ms. Raisa, pasay. So now, you can start to prepare yourself. I will give you at least 10 minutes to prepare all the things you will need while we presenting your event management. Question, pwede naman magtanong yung since later hindi na tayo nakakapag-question and answer. Dire-diretso na tayo sa session natin. Okay guys, so ngayon, pwede tayo mag-start. And ready nyo na yung PPT nyo.
one creativity organization dedicated to turning dreams into reality through innovative concepts. So the company is expert in managing wedding, debuts, anniversaries, and corporate events. So here is my social media platform that you can contact when so this is the mission vision and the core values of my company.
So discuss your core values.
So the core values, the rookie stands for reliability, originality, kinship, and integrity. So the reliability it is a real concept that you will need to see in an event. The originality is a creative. The company is creative. And the kinship it is you have a strong relationship to the clients. And to the integrity it is a honesty of the company. So here is my organizational chart. So let's see. Here is my SWOT analysis. So the objectives and action plan. So the objective is the company the objectives of the event is to organize a smooth and memorable wedding ceremony and reception for couples and their guests. So to ensure coordination of all wedding suppliers such as catering, venue decoration, and photography. So the company provides an enjoyable and well-managed program for all attendees. And of course, the company wants to create a beautiful and meaningful celebration that reflects the couple's love and commitment. So here is the group. It is Mr. Mayan Pedro, 30 years old and born on March 9, 1996. He lives in Balimbing, Sampaloc, by RM. This is my company profile. Moments by RNM is an event management company dedicated to creating memorable celebration. The company specializes in organizing family celebration, birthday weddings, and
Ilang years na yung company?
5 years.
Next.
My mission and vision and values. First, to provide free, marvelous, memorable events. Experiences that bring their satisfaction and meaningful moments to clients and their family. And for the mission, to become a trusted and recognized event management company known for delivering high quality, creative, and joyful celebration. For the core values, RMM, responsibility, beliefs, and being responsible in every
Next.
action and decision. And for the objectives, to strengthen the relationship and unity among family members through shared activities and value spreading. So yung approximately na pwedeng umaten is 100 to 150
Next.
attendance. And this is my organizational chart. This is my team, event management, which is me, and event director Nancy, right? Event coordinator is David Kate Rose, and program coordinator is Dave, and the logistic head is the Angin, and finance officer is Joey, and the marketing head is Jay. And this is my SWOT analysis.
Next.
And this is my event, Conchico Family Reunion or celebration. And Wednesday, Family Reunion celebration. Date and time, July 15, 2026, and time it is 7 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. The venue is the Blue Mermaid Private Hot Spring Resort located to Borobuan, Barangay Mansol, Calamba, City, Laguna. And
So, bakit may reunion na magaganap ng
Ah,
date na yan?
yung si client ko kasi is nagplano siya to para makilala ng mga anak niya yung mga lola. And the event concept and description. The event concept center on the family reunion celebration that goes with family and shared meaningful events. Meaningful experiences through engaging activities and entertainment and lighting in a fun and relaxing environment. It is a design professionally managed by my team to create a joyful and memorable
Next.
And this is my profile. My client is Sherito L. Chico. He is 46 years old, and she is the one who planned the family.
Siya nag-reach out sa'yo.
And to work with this company.
Simulan tayo sa questioning. And sa labas ka po muna, Miss or Miss Mapal. So, based sa presentation, for you, anong kahalagahan na BIR learning?
Yung BIR permit ko is katunayan na legal business ko or legal company ko yung company.
And ano yung mas risky na event, indoor or outdoor na?
For me po is out. Dahil meron po tayo may mga seasonal or the weather na hindi natin nasa.
And ano nga uli yung 5 Ws and college life?
So, what, where, when, why, and how.
So, patawag mo si Miss. So, based sa presentation mo, for you, bakit mahalaga yung risk assessment plan sa event when it comes to event? Kasi, di ba, for the word itself, risk, yung mga possible na mangyayari.
Mahalaga siya para yung sa mga
May backup up. So that's all. Natawag si Miss Orza. So based on the qualification na provide mo naman yung mga standard na kailangan natin and more competent. Congratulations, Miss Orza.
Thank you po.
Pa-signature na lang. Patawag din po si Miss Orza. So, based sa presentation mo, nakita ka naman na kung overall and na qualified ka naman sa lahat ng standard na ng sa nasa qualification. Congratulations, you are competent. And pasign na lang. So, that's all. Meron tayong biometrics later on. Yung certificate nyo, send na lang yun later on sa Gmail account nyo. And that's all. Thank you. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you po.
Ilang minutes yan?